Hello Kickstarter, we've been hard at work, and today we're excited to introduce our 3 newest UFO tops. Lubbock Lights, inspired by the 1951 Lubbock, Texas sighting. Shag Harbor, based on the 1967 Shag Harbor, Nova Scotia sighting. And Height 611, inspired by the 1986 UFO incident in the Soviet Union. These UFOs have amazed the world for decades. We hope you'll enjoy the new art and exploring these incredible events. In addition to new stories, we're excited to announce all new designs. Today we release our first bimetal design. All 3 tops feature an aluminum spin core and a choice of either aluminum or stainless steel UFO body. The combination of a lightweight aluminum power core and stainless steel body creates not only an incredible look, but also improves the top's spin times. The aluminum power core helps to conserve the rotational energy applied during the spin. We've also added a second ceramic ball to reduce friction and enhance the invert spins. This new bimetal design also allows you to swap out the power core to create a variety of color combinations. For the first time in UFO Tops history, you'll be able to see the UFO on its own. Think of that! The swappable power core not only allows for more color combinations, it introduces a whole new experience. Now you can spin the UFO on its own like a coin. Now that the power core is separate from the UFO body, you're able to spin it on and off, which is a lot of fun. And finally, we're releasing new colors and expanding our laser etching process to now include graphic art patterns that highlight the unique personality of the UFO. Laser etching produces a durable, sharp detail that can't be worn off like paint.